Join me for a day in my life as a sports photographer. I mainly shoot basketball, and here are some of my photos taken during the FIBA Intercontinental Cup in Singapore 2024. I started my morning with a shoot featuring Coach Lake from Scholar Basketball. The gear I'm using today includes the DJI Pocker 3, Sony A7IV, 70-200mm f2.8 and the 35mm f1.4. After the shoot, I headed to the gym for a quick strength training workout. Once I was done, I treated myself with mala for lunch. Next, I did some work and editing at one of my favorite spots. Later, I will be heading down to shoot football, a new challenge for me this year. Back in December 2024, I had the chance to shoot a semi-final game at Jalan Besar Stadium where Singapore faced off against Vietnam. Afterwards, I grabbed a quick dinner near the stadium. Once I finished eating, I went to collect my media pass and made my way to the field to prepare for the upcoming match between Lion City Sailors and KL City. Today, I'm testing the Ulanzi PK06 expansion adapter mount for my Pocket 3 paired with the Ulanzi CO01 Hummingbird Quick Release. The game was incredible and the experience were insane. But the atmosphere at the Singapore vs Vietnam match back in December 2024 was really something else. I really hope more Singaporeans will come to support both in basketball and football matches. Thank you for watching a day in my life as a sports photographer. Enjoy the outro.